welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to discuss is how do I create the perfect listing on Airbnb or on booking.com. How do I do it? Tell me, how do I do it? Well, I'm going to tell you today. But before we get started, so to add me on Instagram, it's Oniru. Subscribe to my channel and turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. So let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here today because we're going to discuss how on earth do I create the perfect listing. Bear in mind, in school I was not the writer at all, but I did have in my mind there is content everywhere in this world. So really and truly I could look at other people's work, tweak it up and then make it into my own. But obviously school don't like that, but who cares? But guys, okay, cool. Now you're gonna go into my screen. I'm gonna show you exactly what I do, my techniques, how simple it is to create the perfect listing. You could use this, for example, if you're letting out a room, long term or short term. But let's get into the writer's brain so we know exactly what we're doing. All right. Now let's get onto the screen. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to look at specific listings that I feel like, for example, if I want to look on, let's say, Airbnb and I want to list a property. Obviously, like I said, I'm not a writer, right? But yeah, this is what I do. So, for example, let's go on to Airbnb. And then let's say I have a listing, for example, in Birmingham. I'm going to go in Birmingham city centre just because we want listings that, you know, talk about the city centre, because like I say, what I preach, we always look at city centres because we know this is where people are going, rather than speaking about some next area that no one gives a toss about. We focus on city centres. So let's say, okay, I want to book for 2 nights. Now I'll go on a listing like I'm a consumer who just wants to look and search. And so what we could do is we could go on type of place. So look, this has all the numbers here, but what I want to do is narrow it down to what I'm exactly doing. So I know, first off, you know, what is it that people basically say about these areas, because I really want to know the great description on what to use and how to use it. So let's say I go, for example, private room, because I'm listing a private room, and then click save. Okay, cool. So now so 807 people are looking for a place in Birmingham. Wow, amazing. Guys, this is a quick hack just to show you that this is what they do as well. They actually show on Airbnb how many people are actually looking, which is very, very good. And you know, it would just definitely benefit you, so you know what people are on, how many people look and see. But that is off the topic. So let's go down and let's see this one, as this is number 1. They've got a bunch of reviews. Now what I tend to do is I'll just look and see what they're basically saying. Just waiting for the screen to hurry up and load. Don't know why it's taking forever. 1 second. Okay, cool, we're here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to look and tap show more. And then what I'm gonna do is just read their description. So this specific one, it just has this simple description. But a hack, even though I haven't done a whole course of service accommodation yet, a hack is the better the description, the more you will rank. Just because we want it to be in such great detail, so it keeps the reader reading and, you know, make them feel fascinated about the place and booking it. So what you'll do is you'll look and see, does this look good? Does this suit your criteria? And then what you're going to do is just copy and paste it and then put it up on a docs or a note and just write down the details of this specific area and what they're basically saying, and tweak it into your own. And what I tend to do as well, if I want to do a listing for service accommodation, I won't just look at one, I will look at many. So Let's scroll down and look at more. Okay, so I'm back. Sorry, I had to cut the video just because I wanted to finally actually find something that has great description rather than waste your time whilst I'm searching. So this specific one has great listing, love the pictures. And what I will tend to do is I'll be so happy because I will literally click show more. And then what I'll do is I will literally look at all of this. It just gives you better insight on what you could say and how you can say it. It's just about literally getting ideas. And this is the same strategy, for example, when I want to create a similar listing, for example, on Spare Room or Booking.com. Simple things like this. Look, get inspired, look at other listings, and then bam, you've got your listing and you've created a beautiful masterpiece that literally took you 10 minutes or even less than that because you've got inspired, you tweaked a certain words, and it just gives you better idea. And that is how I work so well with what I do when it comes to listings, because like I said before, I am not a bloody writer at all, but not gonna lie, I'll give myself some credit because I've been doing so good at doing descriptions. I've been very shocked, to be honest with myself, and how I've been doing it. But this is a great hack for anyone who honestly just don't know what to say, or if you've never been in that area before. So just look around, do your due diligence, look at simple things like this. Also go on to Rightmove, go on to Zoopla, go on the market, look at how the estate agents describe these specific areas, and this will give you better insight on what to say, how to say it, so then you could be getting your bookings in, or even your long-term tenants. So guys, hope this was helpful. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.